Hello viewers, let's go to a pet shop in Australia.
Cute.
Hello viewers, now I am in Bondi Junction, Westfield. This is a very famous shopping center in Australia, and this shop is in the shopping center. This is a very famous shop because only elite class and rich people they buy dogs from here. Each dog is very expensive. This cost almost $3,000, and if you are new to buy all stuff for the dog like house, toys, food, it's gonna cost more than $4,000 or more than $3,500. So it's very expensive.
Yeah, just we have one cup for you.
A lot of people are coming in this shop to enjoy the view. Each dog has microchip in their neck. If they are lost, so they can easily find out.